All right, so today's focus is a rectangle. Okay, so a rectangle's official definition. Oh. We have a parallelogram with 4 right angles. Did you check on him?
He wasn't in there.
Okay. So we have a parallelogram with 4 right angles.
I guess it didn't work or something.
All right. So, here's the deal. A rectangle. Hey. A rectangle is going to have all of the properties of a parallelogram with a couple special ones. Okay? So, because it's a parallelogram, opposite angles are congruent. But what is true about our opposite angles? Okay, all 4 angles are 90 degrees. Okay, so I'm going to put a big star by that one because that's a special rectangle property. Okay, I'm going to skip one, sorry, because we're talking about angles. Consecutive angles are still supplementary because it's a parallelogram, but, you know, they're all 90, so that makes sense. Okay. Back up one, because it's a parallelogram, opposite sides are both congruent and parallel. Okay. Okay, because it's a parallelogram, diagonals bisect each other. But because it's a rectangle, diagonals are congruent. So in order to show that on my picture, diagonals are congruent, but since they bisect each other, I'm going to show it like this. Is that okay? Yeah, Miss Hillman?
Yes, Miss Hillman.
That sounded a little bit with a tone. Oh, it's easier than parallelograms? So, it's a parallelogram, so we have to remember all of those things and these 2 extra things. So let's come down here to example 1. I'm going to zoom in. Okay? We know that KJL is 27 degrees. Okay? So what about M, whoops, This says MJK. Well, if it's a rectangle, darn it, that better be 90 degrees. Okay. MJL is this. How'd you get 63? These two are complementary. Remember that word. Because they make a right angle. So they need to add up to 90 degrees. Okay. JLK. Oh. Okay, so so this is 63. There's a couple different ways you can think of finding that angle. So we're looking for this angle right here, okay? So a couple different ways. I can think of this right triangle, or I can think of parallel line, transversal, parallel line, and I have alternate interior angles, okay? So we know that that's, yes, 63 degrees. What about KML? 27. We can also think about how we have isosceles triangles, right? And then M and L. Ooh, that's crazy. All right. You told me this one was 27, right? And since these are all equal, we have an isosceles triangle right here. So we know this is 27. So how do we get M and L? Okay, find the third angle. What is it? 126, do we agree?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, I figured that out.
Okay. Well, some of you are already on example 2 without me. Ah. All right, what's QR? What's SR? Okay, if I want to find SQ, the Pythagorean theorem. I know that this guy right here is a right triangle. So 10 squared plus 24 squared equals our diagonal square. Oh, hold on. Oh, didn't. My timing was off today. Dang it.
How do you do it? Where did you get that? Like, is this A?
So I did A squared plus B squared equals C squared.
Wait, hold on. I need to process that first.
That is fine.
I don't remember.
Pythagorean theorem.
What's 24 times?
Number 1, I know we did it last year together.
Yeah.
Number 2, we talked about it a couple times first semester.
580. So basically,
So
17. 16,
leg squared plus leg squared equals hypotenuse squared.
A, which is B. Okay.
It just matters that the hypotenuse is C. Okay, what's 24 squared?
576.
So what's the square root of 676?
Oh, it is a square root. So then we have to do 676 square root.
Okay, so
I was
shh, hey, we're like a little out of control here. 10, 24, and 26 are what we call a Pythagorean triple because it's 3 integers that satisfy the Pythagorean theorem. Fun fact. So SQ is 26. What is PR? Yeah, also 26. How about this cutie pie right here? 13 because they get bisected.
QT is a QT.
Did you get it? Yeah. I felt pretty good about that one. All right. In example 3, this is a rectangle. I'm going to give you a moment for you and your elbow partner to work together to find X.
What's 17 plus 20?
Oh yeah, because they're quick.
Okay, now it's find J. So do plug it in with 2x plus
Jumberlack.
I just did the.
Oh yeah, I think 10. What? Oh my god. Okay.
Are you staying? Okay.
What people?
Wait, what do we do? 37. X, or JL equals 37.
Yeah, because what do we X is 10. Do this.
My bad.
No, I said now it can be
Being rich is nice. No, that's I said. I just like something close to me and having fun and just like, you know.
Okay.
You are.
What is